विसवा उपरांत तुमचे स्वागत. पेपरफ्राय हे फर्निचर आणि घर उपयोगी सामानाच्या मळार भारतांत पहिल्या क्रमांकार आसा. बिरेस्तारा भारतांतल्या 29व्या स्टुडिओचे पेपरफ्रायान गोंयांत घोशणा केली. फाटली 3 वर्सां जाली पेपरफ्राय स्टुडिओचो भारतांत विविध सुवातांचेर विस्तार जाल्लो आसा. आतां मेरेन पुराय देशांत तांचे 16 शारांनी 29 भव्य स्टुडिओ आसात. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Pepperfry, is an online furniture e-commerce business. We started operations in the year 2012. So January of 2012 is when Pepperfry was launched to the customers. Prior to setting up Pepperfry, both Amrish and me worked for large multinational e-commerce companies where we sold a lot of standard categories. And that was a time when we thought that e-commerce was going to evolve. And we are going to get into, people will start buying non-standard stuff, starting with fashion, and then they will move on to buy, furniture, decor, etc. also online. So that was the idea behind setting up Pepperfry, which is, to make these type of categories available to our customers across the country. The fundamental proposition of Pepperfry is that of great variety and great prices. We are a managed marketplace, which means that our job is to provide a platform to suppliers across the country, right? To a lot of buyers, in the country. So, as we are talking, we have around, 14 different categories on Pepperfry. Starting furniture is what we are known for, but we also do a lot of other ancillary categories, like we do lamps and lightings is big for us. Then we do decor, we do kitchen and dining, we do dining and bar. You will find hardware and electricals on the website. So we do around close to 11 categories, right? And this is, these are all, categories which play some role, at Pepperfry. All of us know that, while furniture is a big business for us, in terms of transactions, 65% of our transactions actually happen in non-furniture categories, right? And that's how, as a business, we are significantly differentiated, because all of us know that for people buy furniture once in 3 to 5 years, right? But other ancillary products like bed sheets, cushions, dining products, etc., are bought many number of times in the year. So these categories basically help us, drive trials and engage with the customers. And whenever they are in the market to buy furniture, they come to Pepperfry and buy furniture. Even while all of us think that furniture purchase is a touch and feel purchase, right? That's the general opinion, right? But let me tell you how Indians were buying furniture in the past. You go to, if Pepperfry was not there, you go to a small shop, right? A shop that can display at max 50 products, right? So you go to a shop, they will have 50 products. Out of those 50, let's say you are in the market to buy a bed. They will at best show you 5 beds, because no retailer offline can show you more than 5 beds, right? But then you are not happy with the variety. So your question to the retailer is, can I see more? And then out comes a catalog, right? It could be a magazine, inside outside magazine, or good homes, or it could be some pictures of some of the beds, etc. And then the retailer will tell you, I can make this bed for you.